TomyTec's Chevrolet Astro is an exquisite model car, specifically model number 55N325ab, with a scale of 1/64. This model car features a sky blue and blue color scheme, representing the 1994 Chevrolet Astro LT AWD model. The design of this model car is intricate, making it suitable for collectors and automotive model enthusiasts. It serves not only as a display piece but can also be used as a toy. TomyTec is renowned for its high-quality models, and this Chevrolet Astro is no exception, showcasing the brand's attention to detail. The Chevrolet Astro is a minivan that was manufactured and marketed by the Chevrolet division of American auto manufacturer General Motors from 1985 to 2005. Sold alongside the GMC Safari, the Astro was marketed in multiple configurations, including passenger van and cargo van. The Astro and Safari used a rear-wheel drive chassis. All-wheel drive became an option in 1990. For its entire production, the Astro and Safari were produced by Baltimore Assembly in Baltimore, Maryland. The vans would be the final model line produced by the facility in total. Approximately 3.2 million Astros and Safaris were produced from 1985 through 2005. The Astro and Safari were introduced for the 1985 model year as the first minivan from General Motors. While marketed as a response to the first-generation Chrysler minivans, GM selected a rear-wheel drive layout, sizing the Astro and Safari closely to the short-wheelbase Chevrolet G10 van, similar to the Ford Aerostar. To reduce production costs, GM adapted light truck powertrain components. Engines and transmissions were sourced from the Chevrolet S10, allowing for a towing capacity of up to 5,500 pounds, 2,500 kg. Prior to its use on a minivan, the Astro nameplate was used twice by General Motors, in 1967, for the Chevrolet Astro 1 concept car, and from 1969 until 1987, on the GMC Astro semi-tractor. GMC sourced the Safari nameplate from Pontiac, used by the latter to denote station wagons, as GMC was half of the Pontiac GMC division, later including Buick. From 1985 through 1989, both GMC and Pontiac Safaris were simultaneously offered through the same dealership network.
Please share, like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.